Today we will learn how to create mirror effect in text in Premiere Pro. First of all, create a text box using the Type tool, and type your text. Now change the text font to Lucida Sans. Make the tracking value of the text to 130, and keep the font size around 200. Drag and drop the mirror effect from the Effects panel. Go to the Effect Controls panel and keep the reflection angle at 90. Now turn on the toggle animation of reflection center and bring the navigator to the first frame and position it upwards. Then place the navigator on the last frame and position it downwards. Now again go to the Effect Control panel and click on the square shape of opacity. Now adjust the shape visible on the screen. Select the points and make them longer and move them downwards. Select Inverted in the mask. Now take an adjustment layer from the new bin and drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect from the Effects panel onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the blurriness to 20 and keep the blur dimensions horizontal. Now shift these two layers one layer up and place a video below. And adjust the text according to the video. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.